Hey, what's up, Winklink holders? So after a very long time, my friends, Winklink is again wake off and they're starting in the moon. So this is congratulations for everyone, for all Winklink holder who invest for a long time, especially like me. I invest, my friend, and absolutely 2 months ago to and Winklink, my friend, and this is therefore I'm so happy because I have no plan to sell it before, my friends, 2022. I decide to, I absolutely, my friends, make sure to I sell it in 2000 at the start of 2020. So therefore absolutely this is very good coin, my friends, for all long term investor. Let's see, my friends, what's the prediction, what's the update of Winklink coin. All holders, be alert, especially from last 7 days every cryptocurrency fails down. So don't see this short time fails, my friends, because this is very bad for a short time investor, my brother, not for a long term investor. If a long term investor focus on these type of fails, then absolutely they cannot hold this coin. So you need to don't see the short fail. Absolutely, they sometimes they fails down, sometimes they move upward. This all depend on the crypto market. Exactly, my friend, the crypto market ratio is going to be equal, my friend, especially when a Winklink is going to be off. So therefore I'm so happy to Winklink, as absolutely I am a holder of Winklink coin. Let's decode this coin. Let's see, my friends, the update. But kindly, before I get started this video, I have one request to kindly, if you are new on our channel, kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, this time you can see here the last 7 day price is 0.0, is last 3 days price is 0.00564 USD dollar, but this time you can see here 498 USD dollar. So it's very badly fails down, but don't see this short don't see this short fail, my brother. Winklink, when Winklink is starting moving upward, then absolutely they will give you a very good profit just in only in a few days. So especially good news for all short time holder, my brother, who hold it from a short time to absolutely sell it very fastly when they take a jump. You can see, my brother, after a short fail, after a short jump, you can see they completely go in the moon. You can see after a fail, after a jump. So this is every cryptocurrency, my friend, every cryptocurrency is moving like that. So therefore I also tell you, my brother, to Winklink is also after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they fails down. So don't see the short fails. Exactly, my friends, this all depend about the crypto market. When crypto market is moving upward, then absolutely the coin is also starting moving upward. So therefore I tell you, my brothers, to don't see the short fails. When they starting moving upward, then they make you a millionaire. Exactly, I have no plan to sell it before 2022. I hope they will make me millionaire. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video, also subscribe. In upcoming times they will move upward, so you need to hold and wait for the end of month. Let's see the last 1 hour update, my brothers, to what's going on. After a jump, you can see here they in the last 1 hour also fails down again now, but don't see this short fail. I already tell you, you can see minus 5.1% they fails down in the last 1 hour. Don't see this short fail, and the price again come to 0.00527 USD dollars. So I hope, my friends, they will give you again more and more good profit. You just need to hold. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and also subscribe this channel.